Hello everyone. This video is especially for those people who feel they are very short. Now, to remove this kind of feeling, I am preparing this video for you all. See my dear friends, height, smartness and color, good features, all these things, whatever external appear, whatever is given by God, that is gift. We cannot create by ourselves, but we have something. So what is that something? We have to identify and we have to focus on that. Height is not at all a problem. I'll give you a detailed explanation about this. You can take plenty of examples in the history, in Indian history especially. If you see great leaders, most of the people are not much height, but they have created history. They are legends. They have done wonders. They never bothered about their height. My height is not good, their height. So this kind of feelings, they kept it aside and they worked on what they have. And what is the knowledge they have, what they can do for the country, they have done, and they made their life and they made their name and everything in golden letters in our Indian history. Those kind of people are there. Take them as example. The best example I would like to give you, Chhatrapati Shivaji. Yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji. So his height is not much, but such a strong character if you read the history. Chhatrapati Shivaji's story. So how he constructed, how he developed the Hinduism and how he eroded all the Muslims and how he gave the good fight. Maharashtrians, especially in Maharashtra, when I heard the Chhatrapati Shivaji story, I got a goosebumps because of his strategy, his planning, strategy, and his powerful body language or anything, something different. So that kind of character, Chhatrapati Shivaji's height is not much, but he made such kind of wonders. So he's a great person, great legend in our country. And second character I would like to take, our second India's Prime Minister. Got it? Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. So his height is around 5.1 only. But if you see his character, such a nice character, committed, sincere, and having very powerful dynamic decision making. After after Nehru ji, Shastri ji became the second Prime Minister of our India. And after taking this Prime Minister post, and if you see, if you read the total history, I don't want to go in depth, but if you see the history and if you see the total life of Shastri ji, he has taken such a wonderful decisions, especially at the time of Pakistan versus India war. How can you say height? Height doesn't matter at all. And his commitment, his decisions, such a nice wonder person. He is the lovable person, lovable son of our country, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. And the third character I would like to take is Abdul Kalam ji. Everyone is having good idea about Abdul Kalam ji. So he is the missile man of India. He did wonders, especially in missiles point of view, and he has become the president of our country. You see the height, not at all. And great personalities in sports, who are the legends, father of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar. Height is not much. I remembered very well when we used to watch cricket, especially in school life and inter-college. When Sunil Gavaskar used to come for opening, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, both were the openers. And their height is very small, but how they have done wonders. They have created history. So these all people, there are many more people. If you see in the film industry also, there are many people who do not care about their height. Why do you bother? So what's wrong with you? Means thinking is wrong. Please re-change your thinking. I would advise you just 2 points. First thing is that accept yourself. Don't feel that insecure that my height is not good and low self-confidence, all these things just abolish And one simple example I'll give you. Anyway, having good height is an advantage, no doubt at all. I have observed in my career one principal who was having very height personality, around 6 feet height, and according to height his body is also like that hefty. And when students used to look at him, they used to scare, they used to run away from the campus, and they used to sit in the classroom sincere, serious, studious. But this is about the person, has personality, height, as well as knowledge also, no doubt at all he was having. This height personality is an advantage. Whereas I'll tell you another principle I observed in my career, whose height was 5 feet only, very short, but he was having such a nice knowledge, command over the subject, command over the administration, command over the students, and command over the language. Height doesn't matter at all for such kind of leaders. So that is why ignore it, accept whatever you have. Just look at yourself in the mirror, what you have, just accept it. I may not be having a good color, doesn't matter. I may not be having height personality, doesn't matter. I may be very thin, doesn't matter. What matters is see how you accept yourself. That is going to matter. And second important point I wanted to tell you is identify your talent. What is the talent you are having? That is much important. If suppose height would matter, then in any forest, giraffe would be the king of the forest. Is it so? No, but king is always lion only. Height is not a matter. So that is why identify what you have. As I told you, it's a God's gift. Height is a God's gift, but some gift is you are having. What is that gift you are having? As I told you, Abdul Kalam ji, Chhatrapati Shivaji ji, and also Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and many more legends are there. You just find out, and what is the talent they are having. Some talent is there. That talent made them to do wonders. With that talent, they gave a gifts to the country. So even you have that talent, maybe in sports, maybe in studies, maybe in arts, maybe in some other field. What is that field? Identify and just go ahead. Don't worry about the height. If you see the music industry, Mangalampalli Balamurali Krishna ji, so he was also not having much height, but he is a legend in music world. So like identify what you have, everyone is having that. So please identify, focus on that only, ignore this height problem, okay? And looking smart and handsome, all these things are God's gift. Lastly, I would like to tell you one small incident. With sense of humor also you can overcome such kind of problems. If someone is saying that your height is not much, then how do you overcome? A small example I'll tell you. Once upon a time, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was attending a big interview, or not interview, it was a conference between one country to another country. So the other country's president, probably USA, I didn't remember probably. USA president or someone is there in front of him. So he has a conference with that person. Before conference, some press reporter were in a light mood, they were cracking a joke. And they said to Shastri ji, you are very short and he is very tall. How do you talk to each other? Then he has given a witty answer. What is that answer, you know? I'll raise my head and I'll talk. And he will bend his head and he'll talk to me. Then the reporter kept quiet. That's it. With your talk, with your sense of humor and with your sense, you have to make others to shut their mouth. Still, if you are feeling my height is short, then you are demotivating yourself. You are demoralizing yourself. Never do that. Without your permission, nobody can demotivate you. Nobody can demoralize you. So that is why please ignore all these nonsense things and focus on what you have, and just emphasize on what you have and concentrate, enhance your skills, do the wonders, improve your career, give something to the society. This is what I expect from you all. Please focus on this and never feel that I am not handsome, I am not smart. This everything is temporary. Skin, body, flesh, bones, temporary. What is permanent is that how you are utilizing this short period, that is important. Got it, my dear friends? Shortly, I'll meet you with another interesting topic. Till that period, what do? Keep smiling, keep shining always. Good luck.